Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back, my friends, to another edition of DIY tutorial. Today we'll be making this accessory, Igbo traditional accessory for men. Women wear it too. You can wear it as a sash on your belly, on top of your clothing, or on your neck. So I'm going to be making it, the length should be nothing less than 50 inches, but this is 60. Luckily this fabric is up to 60 inches. So, and the width is going to be 13 or 13 and a half, so that when you close it you will have about 6.5 inches. So let's go. I have fringes that I'm going to be putting at the edge, at the two ends of it. When I started making this thing newly, I would usually sew it like this, fold my fabric, sew it, then turn it around. When I turn it, then I will fold this end like this. Then I will get the fringes and get the length that I need, cut it like this, then try to insert it into the in between the ends. Sometimes I hold it with pin like this, but I will cut it to make sure that I get the length that I need. Then I will sew it. But today I'm going to do it differently. So watch and see. I think this is better, this new style that I'm going to do. But you can also do the other one, which I have always done, but I felt like it was more difficult. It was complicated. So what I'm going to do is I will attach the fringes before sewing. So what I will do is get the half size of this sash. I will notch this place to see where the middle is, which is where I'm going to be measuring my fringes from this edge and end where the notch is. Then I'll cut. So I would not be inserting it from the beginning, because if I insert it from the beginning, it means that my stitches will be at the edge, but I want my stitches to be behind the sash. So I'm going to be putting it in the middle, just like this. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just follow me, because I forgot to put it in the middle one time. Then I realized that at the end of the day I have my stitches on the side, which is not what I wanted. I just want it to be at the center back. So to get that, I have to put it in the middle like this. And I'm not gonna stitch it yet, to avoid having double stitches. So I'm gonna glue it to hold it on. Then I'll do the same thing on the other end. So when you sew it all the way down, so you bring it inside out. So when you bring it inside out, then you can align these fringes to be in the middle, while the stitches that you just made is at the center back. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Yeah, because I don't want the stitches to be at one end. So it's going to be in center back. That is why I was emphasizing putting it in the middle. So just to hold it, to make sure everything is flat, I'm gonna iron it. Now it's time to take it to the sewing machine and stitch these edges from here, you know, and at the other end we'll come back with it. Now it's done. You fold. I have a couple to make, as a lot of orders came in for this accessory. I don't know what is going on. Nobody told me what is going on, so I could join because I'm part of them. But I'm just gonna sit down here and make it and mail it to them. So this is done. I'm gonna package it, then I make more. I have a couple of more that I have cut out, and I made it. Some people got different colors, but I have more of red orders, so I'm gonna be packaging them and attach my label as usual. So the accessory is ready. There you go. 60 inches, 50 to 60 inches by 13 inches. As you can see, this person ordered red and green. So this is one of the things I make when they order it. I don't make it and keep because this fabric is scarce. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye.